Hi everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so excited about today's video. It is definitely long overdue and a lot of you guys have been asking me, Mel, do you collaborate? When are you going to do some more collaborations? I've been getting a ton of comments and I know that the individual that I'm doing the collaboration with today has also been getting a lot of comments about us kind of, starting back to do some collabs. So we, started to brainstorm, and with the holidays coming up, we felt like a holiday handbag collab would be absolutely amazing. And if you guys don't know who I'm talking about, or if you haven't figured it out yet, it is with Nikki from the channel At Home with Nikki. Nikki has been a mentor for me. She was actually she was the first YouTuber to reach out to me and to kind of introduce me on her platform, and I will forever be grateful for that. So she and I talked about redoing our first collaboration ever, which was a handbag organization video, and it went over really well. So we decided to do that again, but this time we had you just put a couple tweaks in it. So number one is going to be like holiday theme, so you just kind of keep the holiday in mind. And then number two, she's going to put a Melanie spin on her bag, and I'm going to put a Nikki spin on my bag. So this is gonna be really fun. Like, I really had to think about this because the idea that I had, I'll be sharing with you guys in just a minute. But with the idea that I had, it was really tough for me to think about, okay, what would Nikki do? So yeah, so it was really fun putting this together for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you want to enter the giveaway for my bag or for Nikki's bag, I will leave that link down below. And please don't forget to go over to our channel to enter the giveaway for her bag, which is the Melanie bag. And if you're here, this is the Nikki bag. So I hope you guys enjoy this collaboration. I will leave all of the details for entering this giveaway down in the description box below as well. So without any further ado, let's get to organizing. Okay, you guys, so I knew for this collab I wanted to do crossbodies, and one of the major reasons I love crossbodies is that they are great for holiday shopping. When you're out shopping during the holidays, you definitely want to be hands-free. And I also think that crossbodies are easier to shop with. So when I saw this color, I knew I love the neutral, I love the tassels, and it really reminded me of Nikki, number one, because it had the neutral color, number two, because it had the tassels, and then it had the pop of gold. And I really liked it. I love the fact that it was well constructed. On the inside, of course, I did the typical Nikki, matched the wallet with the actual purse, and then she loves to have some type of journal or some type of planner. So I had a daily prayer journal that also coordinated with the neutral purse that had like a blush pink color and the Kenneth Cole wallet. So I just thought that was a great addition to this set, and it also leaves room for you to put in like your cell phone or anything else you may need. And I love this Kenneth Cole wallet because it has several different compartments in it for like your cash and your cards and your discount cards and all those things that you may need for your holiday shopping. So I just thought that was great to have, and I also like having the prayer journal just in case you run into someone that asks you, for prayer. The next crossbody that I purchased was this blush pink one. I love it because it zipped at the top and it just is so spacious at the bottom. The other thing I loved about it is that you can use it with or without the strap, and of course it had this super nice size wallet with it, and it's by Steve Madden, and I love it in the blush pink color. You could actually carry this alone as well, and I love the fact that you can also add your cell phone in here as well. So I just thought that was super cute. And again, because Nikki loves things kind of simplistic, she would not like add a whole lot in these purses, still leave room for your cell phone and your pen or whatever else you may need, maybe some hand sanitizer, but just kind of keeping it really simple. And then I paired it with this super cute Steve Madden blush and gray and ivory scarf. And again, I just thought that was really cute and really neat to have as well. Now this third purse is a silver purse. I love this because you can dress it up or you can dress it down. Has a little tassel on it. Again, it's well made on the inside. It's really small, but yet, you know, you still have room to put those essential things that you need, such as lotions or body sprays, and I will be including those in here as well. When you open it up, there's a place to store your cell phone, and then on the right hand side there's a place to store your credit cards and your cash and your discount cards. And I keep saying discount cards, you guys, because you need these discount cards to save big during the holidays. You know, I'm all about living luxuriously for less. So also on the inside I have some body spray, so if this was a purse that you were using for the evening time, you can kind of freshen up. And then I also have hand lotion, and I'm one of those persons people that has to have like hand lotion and hand sanitizer in my purse. I just don't like for my hands to feel dry, and maybe that's a part of me being a scientist, because in my previous job I always had to wash my hands like constantly, and my hands were always dry. So I always love to have a smaller lotion, so I included this holiday scent by Victoria's Secret, and it smells so fresh and so clean. So that pairs really well with this silver collection, and I'm going to call this one the Silver Bell collection. I absolutely love this one. And so the next purse that I got, of course, we have to have a black crossbody in the collection. It's by Gianni Benny. I think I'm saying that right. I love this because you can use it as a book bag, a crossbody, or you can just use it as a clutch or a regular purse. I love the detailing around it, like the rope detailing around it. And so for the accent bag on the inside, I use the pearls and the studs, and it's just a great place to store, like, you know, any cash or anything like that you may have. And then also on the inside of the bag, down the side, there is also room for your cards and your discount cards or whatever else you may have as well. And then maybe a cell phone. Again, when you're out shopping, you don't need a whole lot with you. I love the fact that it has the straps on the back, so you can do the strap through the back, or you can do it on the side. So it's very versatile, very, very well made, and I just think it will be a great addition to your holiday handbag collection. So I absolutely love it. You got to have a black bag. So those are all of the bags in the different collections. This one is the Black Midnight. The first one that I showed you guys was the Sugar Plum one, the Silver Bells, the Hot Chocolate or the Hot Cocoa, and the Black Midnight. So I would love to hear down below which bag you guys like most. Just leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But for holiday handbags, I just think that crossbodies are amazing for the holiday season. They can be dressed up, they can be dressed down. And, you know, of course, when you're out shopping, you want to be as hands-free as possible. So I definitely kept that in mind when doing shopping for the holiday season. And then I would also love to know, like, what do you think was like very Nikki-ish about the bags that I shared with you guys today? Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I love reading you guys' comments. So all of the details for how to enter this giveaway is linked down in the description box below. So I will be sure to, goodness, hair in my eye. There we go. Okay, so I will be sure to leave all of that information down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Thank you for all of your continuous and unwavering support. You guys are the best. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!